Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely not necessarily an update, but more so confirmation. And the main point of confirmation is that this area right here at 80 cents, which I've talked about and denoted with that red line, is truly a level of resistance. But the good news is, and what happened today was, you got to give full credit where credit's due. After a pretty rough pullback on Thursday, the bulls really came firing back again and worked themselves all the way back up to that area of resistance. Now, sure, yes, the price is still very, very clearly struggling with this area of resistance, but at least it's back up at that level of resistance, right? I'm sure most people would say, you know what, yeah, I get it, it's struggling with the resistance, but it's got to be actually up at the level to even struggle with it to begin with. So from that, angle, sure, maybe a little annoying that the price couldn't quite get back up above that 80-cent mark and stay up above it. But like I said, at least the price got the bounce up to that area. So this is definitely the big question going into next week is, 80 cents is not a level that only I've taken notice of. I assure you a whole lot of people that use charts, understand charts, have also taken notice of it. And they're wondering the same thing is, can the price actually get the break and get more continuation? So that'll be the big thing, like I said, going into next week. In the event the price does get the break and can push up through that level, then I do want to map out the next overall level of resistance, since that seems like a potential possibility that a new breakout could occur. And nothing fancy behind this other than the fact of, where the party got rejected from earlier on in the week, and that's right up there at 91 cents. Now, again, I'm not saying the price hit up to 91. My point is that it's still struggling here. It's still got work to do. But if that work can get done and the price can, start to, continue chipping away back upwards, and the 91 cents will be that key level to watch. Overall, 60 cents is still that key level of support, but given the nice bounce today, that level doesn't really pertain anymore, as the chart currently sits. But definitely a great way to end the week. And sure, like I said, annoying that it struggled with 80 cents, but overall, at least it got back up to that level. So we'll see if the bulls can kind of get the job done on Monday next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.